Hello everyone, welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Black Ops 7 not launching, crashing, not loading, or showing a black screen on battle.net. First, we will check for Windows updates. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Update and Security, then click on Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button and wait. If updates are available, download and install them. After the update is finished, restart your computer if Windows asks you to. Next, we will check the date and time settings. Incorrect time settings can cause battle.net and games to fail during startup. Open Settings again and go to Time and Language. Click on Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. Once both options are enabled, close the settings window. Now we will check your GPU drivers. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and right-click on your graphics card. Select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for the latest driver and install it if available. If you use NVIDIA or AMD software, you can also open it and check for updates from there. After updating the driver, restart your computer. After that, we will verify the game files in battle.net. Open the battle.net launcher and go to your game library. Select Black Ops 7. Next to the play button, click the gear icon. From the menu, click Scan and Repair. Confirm the process and wait. Battle.net will check all game files and re-download any missing or corrupted files. This may take a few minutes. Once the scan and repair process is complete, restart your computer. This step is important because it applies all system and driver changes correctly. After your system restarts, try launching Black Ops 7. The game should now start normally without crashing, loading issues, or a black screen. Thanks for watching.